Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about organic poultry feed. I'm in the farm with my mom and we are about to feed our chickens, our poultry. So these are black soldier flies larvae which we have been growing from the egg stage, the larva stage, the pupa stage and the adult stage. So this is the room, this is our larva chamber, and this room that you see is the room where we grow the egg stage, the larva stage, and the pupa stage. We have another room where we grow the adult stage. And these black soldier flies larvae are high in protein, up to 5% of protein, high in calcium. They are also ineffective, they're cost effective, and also very sustainable source of animal feed. You don't need a lot of time, you don't need a lot of land, you don't need a lot of resources to be able to grow this. And if you compare the health of the chickens grown with the black soldier fly larva, it's totally different. So come along with us as we are about to show you how we feed our chicks, how the chicks are going to munch this. I put up a video to show how you can grow your black soldier flies, so follow suit. Number two organic poultry on our list is the wheat. So every day we feed the chickens with black soldier fly larvae and wheat, organic wheat. We make sure we wash them before we feed them. Now, it's very important that you give the fowls organic feed, not processed feed, because they are healthier and they don't fall sick easily. Now, the chicks like to eat outside, but at night they enter into their pen. They enter into the house, or if they want to lay eggs, they go into their house. So here is where they like to put their food, and this is where they come to sleep. We built this way so that the chicks can perch on, and the wooden houses you see, or boxes you see, is where the chicks can hide and lay eggs. They don't like laying eggs in public, guys. They don't like people seeing when they are in the maternity ward. So they are out during the day and they always come at night. Yups, yes, they laid eggs today, and every day we pick eggs from our farm. And guys, like I told you, these guys don't know me, they don't like me. So they have two houses, we have two poultry farms, and this is the second. So this one is still made with wood so they can perch on, and hiding spots so that they can lay eggs. So whenever you see a chick behind here, or hiding in the dark, or being confined himself, they want to lay eggs. As you can see, they don't like me. They know my mom so well. So